Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? Hope you all are doing great. In today's video is actually going to be different, unique, and quite personal to me. As usual, I have a whole script written down. I'm about to read it to you guys. So today's video is about the start of Fenugreek Challenge. And without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so guys, I'm officially starting my Fenugreek hair growth challenge. I know some of you might remember that I planned to do this last year, like literally, and honestly life just happened. I got caught up with the reality world, adulthood, those boring stuffs and everything. Yeah, I wasn't consistent and I didn't want to force content when I wasn't taking care of myself at the moment. But right now I'm at a different position, like I'm at the point where I can finally give love to myself again. So this season of my life is about discipline, healing, and starting over properly. Hair care is part of that for me. Over the past months, I noticed more shedding in my hair than usual, slower growth, my hair feeling weaker and thinner, and I realized that stress, inconsistency, and neglect really show up in your hair, literally. So instead of jumping into 1,000 products, oh no, I have to use this, I need to go buy that, I need to go get this. Nah, we're just starting back to the basics. I'm going back to something simple and more natural, which is fenugreek. This challenge is not about overnight results or unrealistic expectation. It's about improving scalp health, reducing breakage and shedding, supporting healthy growth over time, and most importantly, being consistent in my hair. I'll be using fenugreek as part of my regular routine and sharing how I prepare it, how I use it, what works, what doesn't, and honest updates along the way. It's literally fenugreek season, baby. We were done with cloves, rosemary. Right now it's fenugreek. Guys, it's fenugreek season. So grab your fenugreek and hop onto the challenge with me. It's that year. We're locking in this year. I'm going to be using it for 8 weeks. If this video reaches you right now, don't worry. You're not late. I haven't left you guys out. I'm starting now, but you can join me starting from January 19th to March 15th. That's when I'll be showing you guys the results. I already did the calculation. It's going to be equivalent to 8 strict weeks of locking in with your hair. And my hairstyle of choice, obviously, I've decided to do box braids. I didn't want to do cornrows because I don't like how cornrows cuts my hair, literally. Or I don't know if it's the braider I went to. When she does cornrows on me, my hair sheds. And no, I just don't want cornrows. So I'll be using fenugreek consistently, no new products added halfway. I'll stick to a basic routine and I'll document everything honestly, good or bad. This is a real-time journey, not a perfect one. Before we get any further, I'm going to be showing you guys the before results, the front side, the back, so we have a clear starting point. So as I said, I've decided to stick to box braids. You can do cornrows or box braid, whichever you prefer. I've decided to do box braid on myself since it's a 8 weeks challenge. I'm doing this challenge for myself to reconnect with self-care, patience, and consistency. If you're also on a hair growth journey or you're rebuilding yourself from scratch, I just want you to know that you're not alone in this. And yeah, that's what's up. For those that are new to my channel, please consider subscribing down below. Or if you're also going to be joining me in this channel, comment down below I'm in, and at least it will be, I'll get to know that I have a community that is joining me in this challenge, literally. So don't forget what I said. We're starting on January 19th and we end on 15th March. So comment down below I'm in. And if you have decided to join or you have decided to subscribe, all I can say is thank you. And without further ado, always remember that good things take time and trust the process. Please be kind to yourself this year. Bye guys.